Good morning, y'all. Today we are in beautiful Grand Turk, part of the Turk and Caicos Islands, and we're going to explore a little bit. Once you get off the boat in Grand Turk and you get through the terminal, there's lots of shopping right around here, but I decided to take a tour of the island. So we're continuing our tour around Grand Turk. Now, Grand Turk got hit hard by the hurricanes this past fall. They actually got hit twice. Now, luckily, the island is up and running about 70% capacity. We've seen a lot of damage so far, and I'm sure we'll continue to see a little more. But as the tour guide was telling us, tourism is the number one money supplier for the island. So if you guys get a chance to come down the Grand Turk, or the Turk and Caicos Islands in general, you might want to try it. It's absolutely gorgeous here. They're open for business and they're perfectly willing to accept us. Now, Grand Turk is also very unique because it's actually part of the British West Indies, but it uses American currency. And whenever there's trouble, both America, the British, and even Canada come out and help. When they were without power for over 2 months, when the hurricanes hit, both the United States government, British government, and the Canadian government both came down to help them get them back on track. So, something not many people know about Grand Turk. In 1962, John Glenn orbited the Earth. Well, guess where he splashed down? That's right here. Well, as we leave Grand Turk behind us, it's been a wonderful adventure. Seeing the island and seeing the people that make the island and everything else. This is definitely one of my favorite ports of call I've been to lately. But we're not done yet, so make sure you turn in next Thursday when we'll see our next port of call.